When I joined my new school, obviously at that time I was not so good in speaking English. So I slowly started talking with few girls in my class, and after talking to them, few girls just went back and they started laughing. I know that I had mistakes in my English, but still, I was like, okay, fine, who cares? So I was just talking to them, and they went behind and then they were like, and then they started laughing at me. So at that time, it was quite awkward, that weird kind of feeling which you get if someone is laughing at you for the mistakes which you're doing. I'm sure that you also might have felt it, and that is the reason why I'm making this video in the first place, to help you overcome it. You also might have faced one or the other problems, insult, and those kind of weird situation. If you felt it, then watch this video till the end, and I'm going to tell you some of the steps to overcome these all problems. Hello there, what's up people? It's me Jaya. You're watching me on the Expand. Let's get into the video. Is the mic on? If your friends or your colleagues are laughing at your English, you might think that it is all because of my mistakes. I make a lot of mistakes and that is the reason why they laugh at me. Or you might think like it is because I lack practice. So you think in that way. But the main reason why you think that others might feel it funny is because you think it in your brain. So it's all about psychology. It's more about your brain than your mistakes. So for example, just imagine that I'm able to speak English without making any mistakes. But still, in my brain, I think like I might make some mistakes. What if I say something wrong? And what if I say something funny which other people might find it funny and they laugh? So right now I'm thinking in my mind that I'm not able to do. So that is the reason even though I try speaking it, I will not be able to speak it because it is set in my mind that I'm not able to speak. You have 24 hours a day, and I think you can at least use 30 minutes of that 24 hours for English, with English. I'm not telling you that surround yourself with English and just be with English 24/7, but just for 30 minutes. It can be by reading or by listening or by speaking. And also I have told that by speaking is the main way where you can start developing your speaking skills, especially when you want to learn English. You can just spend that 30 minutes by reading books or watching movies in English or listening to songs in English or speaking English with someone whom you know of. Just remember this line, that is, the people who are better than you will never laugh at you. The people who are better than you will never laugh at you, which means the people who are laughing at you are not better than you. All they know is to make fun of you and get an entertainment out of it. So next time what you do is, if someone is laughing at your English or laughing at any of your attitude, just go to them straight away and ask them, hey, you laughed at me. I did a mistake there because I did not know it. Can you please correct that mistake? Can you please suggest me some ways to correct it? If you ask that person this question, they might not know the answer. This is the difference between that person and you. And another main point, that is, this laughing is a human nature. Being judged is also a human nature, and being criticized as well. Let me just give you an example where you will realize it. Now think of an example where you are watching someone fall. For example, the show called Science of Stupid in National Geographic. So you see those kind of funny clips, and the person who is falling in that clip, that is unintentional, right? That person did not fall intentionally. That just happened in the flow. So after watching that, you find it funny and you burst out of laughter. So you just start laughing without having any control over you. That is the same case over here. When you talk English, you make mistakes in the flow. You did not make it intentionally. That just happened without any intention. So when other person is observing you, they randomly find it funny, or they just think that you made a mistake unintentionally. So even they burst out of laughing, just like how you burst out of laughter after watching that funny clip. So I would just say that these are all human nature, and if you start worrying about that person, that person is judging me, that person is criticizing me, that person is talking bad about me, or doing certain stuff which you're not comfortable of, then never mind. It's their mouth, it's their humor, and it's their laughter. Let them laugh, and your job is to not care. And also, if some foreigners comes to India, the people who don't know Hindi, and then they'll be talking like ये मेरा है और मैं उधर जाता हूँ और मैं ये करता हूँ. So when they talk Hindi like that, we find it funny, right? And also, we actually don't think that okay, they are struggling and they are making mistakes, we should correct them. We just absorb them and we just think that oh man, they are foreigners and they are gonna talk in that way, so we just ignore that. That's the same case here. Stop taking that laughing as an insult. Just start building yourself and prove them wrong. So I'm sure that if you start practicing 30 minutes a day speaking English, you can master this English language just by 2 months. So I hope that you will try this. I hope that this video helped you in one or the other way. These are all the experiences which I have had, and I have learned some things from that. And I'm sure that if you are making some mistakes, you are going to learn a lesson from that too. So just don't lose hope. Just keep doing whatever you do, and one day you will find your result, happiness, success, and everything whatever you have wished for. So this is all I want to tell you in this today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching it till the end. It just means a lot to me, and if you have come this far, thank you so much, and do subscribe this channel and like this video, because that will give me a lot of motivation to make more videos for you which can help you. Thank you so much. Until the next video, bye.